Well, hello there, everybody, and welcome back to my devlog. Um, kind of a lot's happened in the past week. Um, not really in terms of the game. I mean, it kind of relates to the game, but basically, I got menuing pretty much figured out. Um, Let me just start by showing you guys what I got, and then I'll talk about some other stuff. Um, So here, um, I don't have it set up so you press buttons or anything to open the menu or close the menu or whatever. But theoretically, you can open this menu whenever you want, in combat, out of combat, or whatever, probably with E or something on the keyboard. And then you can just click and choose what you want to use. These are just, I kind of got some ideas on stuff. It's all super self-explanatory. Um, the magic, I don't know the difference between each. Obviously, they're elemental. Flame is fire, frost is ice, flash is like lightning, and dark essence is something different. Um, I don't even know if I spelled essence right. I'm pretty sure I did though. But heal 10 is like 10%, heal 100 is 100%, and so on. Revive will revive one of your party members. That kind of stuff. Buffs will just give you like a short buff for a minute, 3 minutes. I don't know. Haven't really decided. I just wanted to get menuing done and have some options, so I could show it off. Um, and theoretically, you'll press flame, and then you might target an enemy. You'd press the enemy, and it would shoot fire at the enemy or whatever. And then flash wouldn't have like a targeted enemy because it would be lightning, hit a area or whatever. I don't know. I just kind of wanted to get that set up. That's what I did the first half of the week. The last half of the week, um, some things happen. So basically, I'm going to try to explain this in the best way possible. Um, I have a pretty high powered GPU. It's a GTX 1060, um, made by or assembled by Asus. Um, and basically, what happened is um, I have two monitors in my display in my setup. Um, yeah, I just record. Never mind. Um, I have two monitors. One of them is hooked up to my motherboard, and one of them is hooked up to the GPU. I have a monitor that's specifically for gaming, so obviously I hooked that one up to my GPU. I also have that monitor hooked up to my PlayStation. So what happened this week was I was downloading uh, the remastered Crash game on my PlayStation, and I was downloading Yooka-Laylee on Steam on my uh, on my desktop. And what happened was I was running Steam on the desk or on my monitor that was not connected to my GPU, and I was running Crash on the one that was connected to the GPU, but it was through my PlayStation. So I started running Yooka-Laylee, and it was super slow. I could hardly get it to run with the lowest graphic settings and in 720, which is super bad. And I mean that is what you should be running if you don't have a GPU. But I do, so I'm like, what's going on? So what I did was I overclocked my GPU, which if you don't know what that means, it basically means it gives it a lot more voltage than it is tested to handle. Mine's tested to handle like 1700 watts, volts, I don't know how it works, but 1700 something, and I gave it 3300. Not a good idea. So what happened was it didn't fry anything, it didn't break anything with my computer, but my computer crashed. I had to do a complete reset. I still kept all my files, which was good. That means I got to keep all my code, um, all of my assets, everything I got to keep. Worst case, I had a week backup before then, but the problem is I didn't keep any of my applications. So basically, what I'm getting at is I don't have Photoshop anymore, which obviously I need uh, to make stuff. It's hard to do in Paint. Um, I mean, some of the stuff I can do in Paint, but a lot of it I can't. Um, so I emailed Adobe support, and they were absolutely zero help. Um, So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to Best Buy and just buy the newest version of Elements. I don't use normal Photoshop because Elements is good enough for me, and I don't want like a monthly $20 subscription, and Elements is so much cheaper than that. And it's a one-time payment. And I have a little extra money for my graduation party that I'm just going to use to buy that. I have a Best Buy gift card, and so I'm just going to use my Best Buy gift card to buy it. Best Buy, I think, has a sale on it right now, too. I don't know when Elements 15 came out, but seeing as lots of people have sales on it, I'm guessing 16 is about to come out. So it's a good time to buy 15. I doubt 16 is going to be super better than 15, so I'm just going to do that. So that's what I'm doing after this video. I'm going to go to Best Buy and buy that. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.